So, good evening everyone. Today we'll be starting with the numericals. Okay, we'll be starting with the numericals of the application of Ampere's law. So, the very first numerical is a solenoid of length pi meter and 5 meter and 5 centimeter in diameter has winding of 1000 turns and carries a current of 5 ampere. So what we need to calculate is calculate the magnetic field at its center along the axis. Okay, so if you look into the data, what is the data given to you? We have a solenoid of length pi meter, it has 1000 turns and it carries a current of 5 ampere. So in the data, length of the solenoid is pi meter, current carried by the solenoid is 5 ampere and the number of turns are 1000. What we need to calculate is the magnetic field. Okay, so it's same as magnetic field along the axis of a solenoid. So when I say the magnetic field along the axis of a solenoid, we write it as mu naught Ni divided by L. So this data, ये जो डेटा है 5 सेंटीमीटर इन डायमीटर, ये सुपरफ्लोज डेटा है, इसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है. So directly I'll use mu naught का वैल्यू as 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7. Number of turns is 1000, so 10 raised to 3. Current is 5 ampere divided by length is pi meter. Pi gets cancelled. So you will get it as 5 4s are 20 into 10 raised to minus 4. So that is 2 into 10 raised to minus 3 Tesla. This is the magnetic field along the axis of a solenoid. Getting it clearly? Okay. Now coming to the next question, that is question number 2. A toroid of narrow radius of 10 centimeter has 1000 turn of wire for a magnetic field of 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla along the axis how much current is required to be passed through the wire. So basically they are asking us the current. Magnetic field strength is given, look over here. So radius of the coil is given, number of turns are given, magnetic field strength is given. What they are asking us is how much is the current required. Current. Okay. So last thing is in the data that you have to find is, and what's given. So radius is mentioned as 10 centimeter, that is 10 raised to minus 1 meter. Number of turns capital N is mentioned as 1000, that is 10 raised to 3. Magnetic field is 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 Tesla. What they are asking us to find is the current. So what I can say is B is equal to mu naught Ni divided by 2 pi r. तो म्यू नॉट का वैल्यू है 4 पाई इंटू 10 रेज टू माइनस 7. नंबर ऑफ टर्न्स आर 10 रेज टू 3. करंट आई नीड टू कैलकुलेट डिवाइडेड बाई 2 पाई इंटू रेडियस इज 10 रेज टू माइनस 7. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज 5 इंटू 10 रेज टू माइनस 2. 2 पाई 2 ज़ा ओके, -1 ऊपर जाएगा तो +1 होगा, +1 + 3 इज +4, +4 -7 is -3, -3 goes to the left, so it is +3. So 5/2 into 10 raised to -2 + 3. So you will get this much current. So basically the current is I is equal to 2.5 into 10. So the total current is 25 ampere. This is the current that is flowing. Getting it clearly? Okay. I'll be giving you 2 sums to solve. ठीक है, that is question number 3 and question number 4. So just look over here. Calculate the value of magnetic field at a distance of 2 centimeter from a very long straight wire carrying a current of 5 ampere. What is basically given is the mu naught value, that is 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. Okay, so you need to calculate it, so use the Ampere's law. Okay, and the next sum, that is question number 4. सेम टाइप का ही है, ठीक है, सिर्फ डिस्टेंस चेंज किया है. A very long straight wire carries a current of 5.2 ampere. What is the magnitude of magnetic field at a distance of 3.1 centimeter from wire? Mu naught value is given as 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Tesla meter per ampere. Okay. मैं एक सम बता देता हूँ, आप सेकेंड सम कर लेना, ठीक है. सो थर्ड सम में क्या दिया, डिस्टेंस इज गिवन एज 2 सेंटीमीटर, करंट इज 5 एम्पियर, म्यू नॉट वैल्यू इज गिवन. सो यू कैन डायरेक्टली यूज B इज इक्वल टू म्यू नॉट I डिवाइडेड बाई 2 पाई r. सो म्यू नॉट का वैल्यू पुट कर लो 4 पाई into 10 raised to minus 7. Current is 5. 2 pi into 2 centimeter. The 2 into 10 raised to minus 2. So 4 gets cancelled. minus 2 ऊपर आया तो plus 2 minus 7 minus 5. So you'll get 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. Okay. अभी इसमें ना एक कैच है. What they have said is very long. Whenever they say is very long, so they basically will say it as 1 by 2 into mu naught. So divide by 2. So the actual value is 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. Because they have said about very long. यहाँ पे भी देखो उन्होंने वेरी लॉन्ग बोला. तो वेरी लॉन्ग के लिए हमारा फॉर्मूला क्या है? म्यू नॉट आई डिवाइडेड बाई 4 पाई आर है. 2 पाई आर नहीं है, 4 पाई आर है. गॉट इट? So that's how basically you need to calculate the magnetic field. Okay. Try to solve the question number 4. I'll just write down the answer. The answer for this is 8.35 into 10 raised to minus 5 Tesla. ये आंसर आना चाहिए. ठीक है.